here AC synchronous motor. Let's try to understand if you have any other vehicle. So this is a which type of motor? BLDC motor. So this is nothing but the stator and this is nothing but the rotor. Okay. So this is nothing but the stator and this is nothing but the rotor. Okay. So here you have the center one is what? Armature. So outer one is nothing but what? Permanent magnets. So generally if you take a DC motor, you will have an armature as well as the field winding. So field winding is an electromagnet in the case of an DC motor. In the case of a BLDC motor, you have an permanent magnet. So the center part is called as armature and the rotor part is called as permanent magnet field winding. Okay, or directly called field winding, which is nothing but made of permanent magnets. Now you are using the motor like this. Now the same BLDC motor, if you want to use for an electric vehicle application, so what to do or how to do? So just change its position and you try to hold your rotor like this. Hold your rotor and you try to accelerate with the help of power electronic device. An input will be given to the shaft. So it is aligned like this. So in this position, it is aligned. You are going to fix the stator and automatically you are connecting a wheel to it with the help of this rim. Okay, when you attach a wheel, automatically what happens? The motor starts rotating. So whenever it is rotating, if you reduce the acceleration, so I am saying about acceleration, this is called acceleration. If you turn it, this is called accelerometer or this is called as throttle control. So when you accelerate, automatically what happens? When you accelerate, what happens? The wheel starts rotating. When you, for example, you accelerate it like this and you leave it and you are reducing the acceleration. Reducing the acceleration is nothing but what? Braking. When you apply the braking or reduce the acceleration, the wheel try to rotate in the same position and this motor will try to act like an generator. That's called which concept? Regenerative. So first mode is this one. What is the first mode? Forward watering. So it is running like this. You are reducing the acceleration. Reducing acceleration is indirectly braking. When you reduce the acceleration, still the vehicle try to continue rotates in the same forward direction. I can say it is come to mode of operation. Regenerative mode of operation, which is nothing but the regenerative mode, which operates in which quadrant? Second quadrant. It has moved from first quadrant to second quadrant. When you enable third mode, then automatically the motor will try to rotate in opposite direction, which is called reverse rotary mode of operation. Where this will be exhibited in which quadrant? Third quadrant. So in order to help it, you have AC is there. AC can be converted into DC, and DC can be converted into DC to DC. DC chopper, which is nothing but class A, class B, class C chopper. And output of the chopper, you require an gate triggers. The gate trigger circuit is developed by this circuit. That's how automatically the complete BLDC motor can be used for electric vehicle. If you use this motor, then this motor is called as BLDC hub motor. Which comes under which generation? 6th type in electric vehicle. So this is not an in-wheel drive technology. You have a motor at the center. You have a motor at the center and it is connected to the feet. So this is about only the features of this electric vehicle. I will show you the different modes of operating.